हेलो भाइयों, वेलकम टू एक्सेल मैनिएक्स। और ये वीडियो होने वाला है को पायलट एआई के बारे में। और आज हम सीखेंगे कि हम को एआई का यूज़ करते हुए कैसे अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड वेब पेजेस को एनालाइज कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं। सो फर्स्ट थिंग वी गोना डू इज़ कि हम इसे इनेबल कैसे करते हैं। तो इसे इनेबल करने का ये एज ब्राउज़र में ऑलरेडी इनेबल्ड आता है। आपको बस यहाँ पे क्लिक करना है, साइन इन करना है एंड इट विल हेल्प यू आउट। दूसरी चीज़, आपका अगर आप पीडीएफ एनालाइज कर रहे हैं, जैसे इस केस में आप ऑन स्क्रीन देख सकते हैं, तो आपको यहाँ पर यूजिंग रिलेवेंट सोर्स, आंसर यूजिंग दिस साइट, एम्प्लॉय डेटा, आई हैव ओपन 2 साइट्स, सो इट इज गिविंग मी लाइक ऑप्शंस फॉर दैट आल्सो। तो आपको अपना एक रिलेवेंट सोर्स सेलेक्ट करना है, देन रिलेवेंट क्वेश्चन सेलेक्ट करना है। तो आई विल से जनरेट पेज समरी। So the warning that we comes is let's not save this conversation. So I'm assuming Windows is not listening to anything that you and me are talking about. Okay, so it gives us certain highlights ranging. It gives us a basic range about the salary, which in it like in which it is moving. It is also about total salary, grand total of all the earnings, employee salary components. It gives us pretty much everything. Like you really don't have to go through all this. Even if this total and all is not there, it will also gonna give you everything. So आपको ना ये पूरा टेबल वेबल समझने का, पढ़ने का, एनालाइज करने का जरूरत नहीं है. Just simply give this a command and it will just help you out for everything. So यार कितना अच्छा है, because for this you might be seeing कि यहाँ पे on screen ना सिर्फ छोटा सा टेबल दिख रहा है, but I have also used it for my official purpose in the background. So अगर टेबल बड़े भी है ना, आपके पास 4-5 पेजेस भी हैं, और you just really don't want to scroll through all of them, so just give it a command, it will do it just like that. If you will ask like specific questions ना कि what is the salary for employee 3, so अब देखते हैं ये क्या करता है. It might take a little bit of time just because I have set the conditions to precise. मैंने precise select किया हुआ है ऊपर. So it will go through all the document and try to give you an answer uh, in an absolute manner. Okay, so I told him ki what is the salary for the employee, so it gives us like basic. He is not understanding about the total, so let's just change the subject, like what is the total salary for employee 3. So as you saw na, it wrote down employee 3 itself. You just only had to press the tab button. So it was really great. It was a really nice thing. So see, it's the correct data. The total salary for the employee 3 as listed on the current pages 2, 1 and 2. So this amount includes basic salary, HRA and DA. Wow man, it is so great. I really want to press a thumbs up for this. So next just move on to analyze the second web page. Okay, the first was the PDF and now we're gonna analyze this Wikipedia page. Like any college goers or school goer, they have to prepare a project अगर उन्हें कोई project बनाना है, और we want to consume certain financial data. यार इतना बड़ा पेज पढ़ना तो मेरे बस की बात भी नहीं है. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a shortcut for this. We will ask our friend, give me highlights from this page in 10 pointers. Even if you spell wrong, it will understand it itself. Like in previous example na, I typed salary wrong, but it still understood like what I am talking about. So this is what AI does. It actually is not limited to the intelligence that we have. वो उसे कहीं ज़्यादा पढ़ समझ जाने में सक्षम है. So क्या ही कहें बस. It's coming for our jobs then. My goodness. It has already provided us 10 pointers with reference, Like if you will click on this, it highlighted the certain data. You will click on 3. See, इसने data यहाँ से लिया है. Now again that you want to go to point 5, it will highlight the point 5 there. Again, अगर आप point 6, this one, इसने point 6 यहाँ से लिया है. So it is not like it is giving you summary only. It is also giving you the highlighted point that from where it is taking the data. इसने data कहाँ से लिया है वो उसे भी highlight करके दे रहा है. Man, it is so amazing. Again, want to like click the like button. And until this point, if you like the video, please do like and subscribe for me as well. It gives me motivation. और चलिए आगे चलते हैं. So far so good. It's really nice. Definitely, it totally depends on your ability how you use this, how good you are in making it understand your requirement. That good results gonna be. So it just pretty clear as that. आप इसे अच्छे से commands दो, ये आपको उतने ही अच्छे results ला कर देगा. कंप्यूटर की दुनिया में ये एक बहुत पुरानी कहावत है, गार्बेज इन गार्बेज आउट. अगर आप कमांड्स ही घटिया देंगे तो आपको रिजल्ट्स भी घटिया ही मिलने वाले हैं. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द सेकंड वेब पेज. वाह, ये मेरा फेवरेट होने वाला है. मेरे को न्यूज़ पढ़ना बहुत पसंद है, बट आई रियली डोंट हैव द टाइम अगेन टू गो थ्रू ऑल ऑफ दिस. सो व्हाट वी गोना डू, गिव मी top 10 news. Copilot seems way smarter than I am. Okay, so we will just wait for a couple of seconds. Here are the top 10 news. Okay, so it has begun. My god, it is just typing non-stop. My mind is spinning like hell. What the hell humans gonna do after this? My god. It says one. I says one. Oh my god, it gave you the article itself. Okay, if I will type on this, I'm assuming it is going to link this thing on the same page. Okay, okay. So I wrote top 10 news. So it went through the whole site and found this top 10 news and then provided the same pointers on the page. My god, it is absolutely amazing. That's it guys for today. If you liked the video, do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more informative videos. This channel is more about AI and automation. So if you guys want to excel ahead in your life, you surely would like to subscribe to this. I will be bringing so many Power Query videos related to automation on this. So stay tuned. Bye bye. Have a great day ahead. Happy learning.